Okay, now we're going to do number 10. And I guess the first thing I want you to notice is that the x squared is being multiplied by 1, but the y squared is being multiplied by 4. So there's no way this can be a circle. Now, since we are adding two things that are squared, this is going to have to be an ellipse. And so what we're trying to do is write these as x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. So that's important to understand. Like, what is this going to look like when we're done? And then we'll have to do some completing the square to get there. So here we go. We'll rewrite the order. X squared plus 8x. I'm going to leave some room. And then plus 4 times y squared. And then equals positive 48. Okay. Now, what this really means, this one is 4 times y minus 0 squared. So we've already completed that square. Now we need to complete the square. And so what we'll do is take 8, cut it in half. That's 4. Square it. We get 16. So this is going to be x plus 4 squared plus 4 times y minus 0 squared equals 48. Now, before I do anything, I need to add 16 to both sides. So I got to add 16 over here. See what I did? I added 16 here. I added it over here. So now what's our equation? For now, it's x plus 4 squared plus 4 times y minus 0 squared equals 54. Oh, that's a nice one, 64. Okay. So now what are we going to do? Well, we want it to equal 1, right? All these equal 1. So we got to divide everything by 64. So what are you left with? Well, you're left with, that's too big. Hold on. Dang it. This takes forever. I wish I had an undo button on here. All right, so I've got x plus 4 squared. Sorry, this is really bad penmanship. I swear I'm not trying. Something's funky. X plus 4 squared over 64 plus 4 times y minus 0 squared over 64 equals 1. Well, we're close, but 4 64ths, this is reducible. That's 1 over 16. So our final answer is going to be x plus 4 squared over 64 plus y minus 0 squared over 16 equals 1. So now I know that it is an ellipse. The center is negative 4 comma 0. We're going to sketch the graph for them. So we're going to go right. Let's see. Oh, hold on. We got to get the center on there. So here's the center. And then we know that we're going to have to go, our A is 8. So we got to go right 8 and left 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 1, and then 1, 2. There's the other one. Our B looks like it is 4. So we got to go up 4 to get to that, down 4 to get to this. Okay. To find our foci, well, that's going to be 8 squared minus 4 squared equals c squared. The way I remember that is, since we're adding to get an ellipse, we subtract to get to c. So that's 64 minus 16, which is 48. So C is radical 48, which is, I don't know. Let's see. That's 4. Radical 3. So what does that mean? Well, that means to find our foci, we would have to go 4 radical 3 to the left. So this is the point -4 minus 4 radical 3, comma 0. And this is the point -4 plus 4 radical 3, comma 0. This is probably about as hard of a question as you could get, and I would probably only expect one this complicated on the accelerated test. But I hope this helps. Boom.